Bonedigiona Bonetekasai, Kreso performiat Glanva. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on his Glanva stage for the launch of their new album, Jamie Smith Mabon. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Well, thank you very much. Thank you all for coming along this afternoon. The idea is we're going to play through our new album, track by track, and then if you really enjoy that, we'll play a couple of older favourites as well to finish off. And we have a shop over here selling our new album, currently manned by Leonid there. Just go and say hello to Leonid if you fancy a copy and you want to beat the rush. There's definitely going to be a rush at the end, hopefully. Depends how well we play over the next hour. But this second track on the album is called Lady of the Woods, a song that we've had available as a free download over the last month or so, and it's still available free. There's a little bit of joining in you can do if you're up for it. I know it's a bit early on in the concert to be asking you to join in, but I'm going to go for it and hope you don't embarrass me. So there's a little chorus broken into three lines. And you just have to be able to go da 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 da. So don't think we're asking too much. So if you have a listen, I'll sing it once and then you can sing it back. Okay? It goes like this. First line. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, brilliant! Very good. That completely flummoxed them in Derby, so we're very happy to have. We're obviously here in the land of song. This is a piece of cake for you all. So let's put all that together, and you get this. Here we go. Da 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 da. Oh, we'll not go now, not to the party. Won't go now, not today. She forget me. Another in this dark night I must get. No vow can move me. No sense of shame or guilt I feel for leaving her behind. My mind and body forget all as my gaze falls on the face of faithful. At the road as the light was failing to seek shelter within the woods. Where can't detains me. Returning home was proving harder than it should. But so huddled in my cloak, I lay down underneath the stars and slept uneasily through fever dreams. I did not hear the wind blow leaves whispering on. Awoke in cold sweat, with ankles rising to a fell voice on the air. Softly guiding, rich in promise, so she loved me. Since my doom was done, yet I could not run. That's how she found me, the lady of the woods. And nothing deeply flew. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Sense of shame or guilt I feel for leaving her behind. My mind's and body forget all as my days falls on. So only good men, strong, proud and faithful, take heed now when I see you were poor fool, just like you believe that this I can never stay. There is no man who can walk the earth or sail the ocean free from temptation. Just pray your journey, she'll lead you
Good joining in there. Bravo, thanks very much.
This next set of tunes is called Tunnocks Tunes. Thank you very much, Diolch yn fawr. Well, this next song I'm going to sing for you now is very seasonally appropriate, although the whole album, the album's called Windblown. Did I mention we got a new album? I think I mentioned that, yeah. I probably said that it's for sale just over there as well.
Did you mention it's only a tenner?
I didn't mention that, Yolo.
You should definitely mention that. Mention that.
Yolo says to mention that it's only £10, the new album.
£10, mind you, Juju.
And this song from it taps into the autumnal theme that we've gone for with this album, which stems from, inspired by the name Mabon, which means the autumn equinox. And the album's called Windblown, and this track is called Summer's Lament. And this one's been very pleased that this week just passed. It's been, we were Welsh Artists of the Week on BBC Radio Wales. And they've been playing this one all week. Through the window summer's gone again. See the swallows flee the sky. The summer waves go by. It already feels so far away. She sits alone to watch the faithful pray. But I have no thanks to give for these dark days. Now the summer's gone again. Woodlands burning, green's red, and I guess summer's fine again. The ever waters chase down the sea. Take me with you. Sparkling memories of a blissful day. Just like the Sunday melts away. Leave a coldness settle in my bones. Oh, winter's coming. Souls left out on the line, like laundry I forgot to take inside. So certain it can scarcely dry. The sun will shine again. So I pull the blinds down and heave my high. See you when summer's come again. Thank you very much. Cheers.
it's not very often that something interesting happens in a service station, but that particular track evoked an encounter that we had in Gordano East services on the way back from a gig late at night, when the young gentleman working behind the counter at WH Smith's proceeded to rant at us endlessly whilst we waited.
It was actually just it was a news agent, so it wasn't any particular.
Oh, sorry, a non-specific news agent in it wasn't a moto services either. And yeah, so that particular number was called the Gordano Ranter.
I'm going to carry on now with the slightly more relaxed number, if that's okay with you. And it's a tune that I wrote for two of my very good friends who got married last October, and wrote it especially for to perform at their weddings. They asked the band to play, and I didn't actually tell them, but it ended up on the CD. So I took the CD around a few weeks ago. Here he is. The name's Gareth and Aoife. They are here this afternoon. Everybody say hello, Gareth and Aoife. Hello, Gareth and Aoife. And yeah, so I took the CD over, and they were, I think, pleasantly surprised to find their tune on it. So it's actually, if there's any dancers here, it's perfect for a little bit of a mazurka, a nice gentle mazurka, or you can do a slow waltz if you like as well. Diolch, thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi. Gynna ni gan arall i chi nawr. Dyma'r gan gyntaf sgwenna ni ar gyfer y band. Dwi'n dweud ni, dwi'n cymryd credit ble dylen ni ddim, achos Jamie sy'n cyfansoddi ar gyfer y band, rhan fwyaf. Dyma'r gan gyntaf sgwenna ni. This was the first song that we put together for the band. Jamie composes all the band's material, and it's rather aptly titled, Yes, We Sing Now.
Grasping all your life for pastures greener on the other side, charging headlong for the light, gold glint in your eyes. Yes, we sing now, we sing for joy, for the moment, future bites its time, future bites its time. Peering forward, glance behind, the dice turned upward for sight, but answers won't fall from the sky. Yes, we sing now, we sing for joy, we sing for the moment, future bides its time, future bides its time, future bides its time. So take my message through the line, so the people may understand what they're missing is in their hand. You must slow down to see. For joy, sing for the moment, future bites its time. Yes, we sing now, we sing for joy, sing for the moment, future bites its time, future bites its time, future bites its time. Yolo,
Yes, Jim.
do you know what this is?
I can't see from it. Bring it over.
We've seen it before, have a look.
Oh, I know. That's our new album, that is. Yeah.
He's right, it's our new album.
It's called Windblown.
And do you know what? It's just for sale just there.
Do you know what else? It's an autumnal themed album, like Jamie was saying, but actually this morning we were in San Armon de Ffrin Ceiriog, all together after 3. San Armon de Ffrin Ceiriog, that's right, at the bottom of a hill which was coated in solid ice and unable to leave the remote village of San Armon de Ffrin Ceiriog in North Wales. So we're starting to feel as if our autumnal themed album is kind of about to go out of date.
No.
What I'm saying is buy it
Yeah.
now, because by next week it'll be winter.
We're going to take it off sale at the end of autumn, which is actually it's gone now, isn't it?
It was this morning.
So maybe we won't do that then.
Ladies and gentlemen, all this comedy is entirely spontaneous, none of it scripted.
And free of charge.
Thrown in.
We're here all week.
We play 2 tunes for you now called the set's called The Joy of Rowena. I wrote this first tune to celebrate the birth of my daughter earlier this year. She's with Nanny apparently, somewhere. Sleeping maybe, I don't know, probably not. But she's 9 months old now. And my other one here is here as well. We've got, in fact, it's very delightful and touching to look around and see so many friends and family who've come along to support us this afternoon. So thank you very much for coming along and supporting us. We really do appreciate it. And we're having a whale of a time. And we're going to carry on with this Joy of Rowena and the second tune, which I wrote when I was up in Criccieth. And it's a type of tune called a miniera, which is from Galicia. So I've called it a Costa de Criccieth, which means the coast of Criccieth. I'm not sure who you're applauding now, but I've got a feeling it might be Frank. Thank you, Frank, for the guest. On guest air guitar, Frank Chopkin. You take a bow?
Jamie, I think that's going to start happening quite a lot, you know. I think you get used to that.
Maybe go and have a dance now, perhaps. Yeah? Well, we're going to do... oh, Yolo, perhaps you'd care to introduce this one?
Gladly.
As soon as you wrote it?
Well, I kind of wrote it. I just wrote the words, actually. Jamie wrote a melody which put us in mind of an old Welsh air, an old slow air. So one of the lads foolishly suggested that I write some lyrics for it. And 8 months later, it turned up going, I've done it, I've got them. So it's a song called Cari Pum Merch. Translates, possibly slightly unfortunately, as loving 5 girls. But it's not quite as racy as it sounds. It's actually it's a song about loving the same woman through different ages, different stages of her life. It's Cari Pum Merch. It starts with Oliver Wilson-Dixon on the fiddle there. Give him a round of applause. Come on, Cari Pum Merch. Diolch yn fawr.
A honno braidd yn ddeunaw ei caru yn a chai ei chyrraedd mae egin dan yn ddwf na mwg eich lygaeth lwy a nwyd y nos yn llosgi yn ein coflau tyn. Wy'n caru merch ac I braidd yn ddeunaw Wy'n caru merch yn da yn anterthyn ei endyn te ond fydd y fenyw I fi fwyaf mae cusa'n hael ar air ac ar ei chroen fel a llwr Hennon tystio I nerddingau I'n caru merch a brigeg Wy'n caru merch yn da A honno'n newydd fel o waw Mae byd yn newid nawr mewn ennill Mae sail perthynas iach yn tyfu fesul yna A ffyrdd ei mam yn glir y bob symud iau mawr Wythna ni merch i newid fer y wal Cari berch yn dal Yn drin ein bedwar i gynol Eich arin ar a fwy a eich yna Mae ysbryd gwych o llun Yn gryf mewn corff sy'n plygu'n o hir a nod fod dawn I ben I caru merch a hi'n bedwar i gynol I caru merch a hi brau yn deunaw
Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much. So, yn ei un track I ffwrdd o ddiwedd yr album, we're one track away from the end of the album. So, I wonder before we play our last number and scoot off over to the desk to sign copious amounts of CDs, I wonder whether you might give a round of applause for some of the musicians in the band. On the bass, Mr. Matthew Emmett Downer, no less. On the bouzouki, all the way from the Isle of Man via Edinburgh, Adam Rhodes. On the fiddle, Mr. Oliver Wilson-Dixon. The accordionist, frontman and the composer of all the music you've been listening to, Mr. Jamie Smith. We've been Mabon, thanks very much for coming along. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. And cofiwch that you weighed hello wedyn.
And not forgetting the lovely Iolo Whelan on drums. How about it, come on.
Diolch yn fawr.
on, yeah. Thank you very much, everybody.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.
Thank you very much. See you again.
We do know one more. Would you like one more? You sure? Oh, go on. Diolch yn fawr iawn am eich croeso. Diolch yn fawr lawr hyn yma. Thanks for coming down. We really appreciate your support. Decisions. We didn't plan for this. What should we do, boys? Galician style. There you go. We're going to leave with a few jigs. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Enjoy if this you haven't seen this before and you've just happened to stumble across us this afternoon. This is an album launch for our new album Windblown. We've got CDs available dotted around the place. They're only £10 and my wife's hopping around with them there. And you can find us on Facebook. We've got a page, jamesmithsmabon.com, so you can keep track of us on there or on our website and all those things. Plenty of leaflets kicking around as well.
And we've also got little orange cards knocking around the place. And by the desk, you can give us your email address, and if there's anything exciting happening, we can let you know. And to talk about exciting, at the end of this little run of gigs, we're going to fish one of those email address cards out of a hat and send whoever that lucky winner is a little stack of all our back catalogue and the new album, of course. So do sling your email on a little card over there, and do come and see us again. Thanks for your support. Diolch yn fawr, mae Galician style.
you very much, everybody. Thank you, Carly. See you next time. We'll be over yonder. If anyone wants a signed CD, we'd be more than willing to oblige. Thanks for turning out.
Diolch yn fawr.